Studying in Malaysia, your visa guide. This guide breaks down the official student pass application process. Step 1. Go to the Education Malaysia Global Services portal online to start your student pass application. Create your personal account on the EMGS portal by entering your email and setting a secure password. Fill out your personal details, such as your name, date of birth, and nationality, on the registration form. Upload a clear, scanned copy of your valid passport as part of your application requirements. Submit your offer letter, academic transcripts, and financial documents as required by the EMGS portal. Double-check all your entered information and uploaded documents before hitting the Submit button on the portal. Pay your visa processing fees securely through the EMGS online payment system to continue. Use the EMGS portal's tracking feature to monitor your application status during the verification stages. EMGS and Malaysian immigration officers review your documents and information for official approval. Once approved, you'll receive your visa approval letter, e-VAL, via email from EMGS. Download and print your e-VAL. You will need this document for your next steps. Visit your nearest Malaysian embassy or consulate to apply for a single-entry visa, SEV, using your e-VAL. Submit your passport, e-VAL, and all required documents for SEV processing at the embassy or consulate. Congratulations on completing the process. With your visa secured, you are ready for your studies in Malaysia.